Welcome! In front of me I have LEMFO LEM5 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the applications on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen repeatedly until you find the settings icon. It's at the end, right here. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to open the settings. Now scroll down and find the option called Uninstall Apps. Tap on it. And here we have the list of apps we can uninstall from our watch. As you can see, we have the Firefox. Tap on the app you want to uninstall, then tap on OK to confirm. And as you can see, uninstall finished, and the app is gone from the list of uninstalling of the apps you are able to uninstall. We can also go back to the watch face and then swipe left, tap on the apps icon, and here we have the list of applications installed on our watch, and the Firefox is gone. It should be here at the bottom, but it's gone. That means that the app was rather uninstalled from our watch. And that's how you uninstall the apps from this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.